Hi there, I'm Tim Hawes from the locals at Ray White, and I am super excited to introduce you to 4A Albany Road, right on the cusp of Herne Bay. This super cute 2-bedroom home is a great apartment alternative and is a fantastic lock and leave solution only 100 metres from Jervois Road. It is ready to go right now. Let's go have a look. Located on the border of Ponsonby and Herne Bay, this sunny and light home has it all. Set on a low maintenance, fully fenced section, this 2-bedroom home offers extensive outdoor living on multiple decking areas, accessed freely by the open plan living and dining area and master bedroom. The modern kitchen would suit any home chef perfectly, offering a breakfast bar, plenty of light and storage, and is in direct line of sight of both indoor and outdoor living areas. The modern bathroom contains a laundry space, and the mezzanine bedroom upstairs is the perfect getaway for daytime reading or occasional guests. Set back from the road in a really private setting, we know this is going to be a popular one, so make sure you don't delay. We look forward to seeing you here on the weekend.